Welcome back. Today we're going to be making a creamy vegan potato salad. Perfect for that summer barbecue. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients we will need for our vegan potato salad. Russet potatoes, diced sweet peppers, diced celery, diced carrots, 1 shallot, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, a half a cup of vegan mayo, 1 tablespoon of dill, which is optional, 1 tablespoon of a vegetable blend, and salt and pepper. First, peel your potatoes. You could use a russet, Yukon Gold, or red potatoes for this recipe. Next, chop them into evenly sliced pieces. This will help them cook evenly. Put the potatoes in a pot and bring the water to boil. Cook them until a fork goes through them easily. This process should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the potatoes are tender, drain them in rinse cold water to stop the cooking process. Pop them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to cool down completely. While the potatoes are chilling, let's prep our veggies. Dice 1 shallot, 1 cup of sweet peppers, 1 cup of celery, and 1 cup of carrots. Now that our potatoes are cool, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, add the cooled potatoes, diced shallot, sweet relish, carrots, celery, and sweet peppers. Next, add a half a cup of vegan mayonnaise. For extra flavor, you can add 1 tablespoon of dill and 1 tablespoon of a vegetable blend, but these are optional. Add your favorite mixed seasoned blend. Mix everything thoroughly until the potatoes and veggies are well coated with mayo and seasoning. And there you have it, a creamy, delicious vegan potato salad that's ready to be served immediately. Perfect for picnics, barbecues, or as a side dish of any meal. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious vegan recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.